Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking prerequisites. Make sure you have console access and the right permissions. Open the console with the designated key and type a safe query like help or list to confirm responsiveness. Once done, verify the game version so commands match current syntax. Mismatches cause errors. Make a quick backup or join a test server to practice. This minimizes risk and lets you focus on learning how each command affects the environment before using them in live play. Now you run core commands and watch effects. Type commands with correct syntax. Command name, optional target, then value. For example, spawn NPC 3 or Sethelth 100. If unsure, use help command name for parameter descriptions. Make incremental changes, then observe game state to avoid cascading issues. Use aliases and tab complete to speed typing, and include V or debug to receive explicit feedback. If a command fails, read the returned message. It tells you which parameter is wrong. To finish, clean up any temporary changes. Run undo commands or restart the session to restore defaults. Make sure to save any intended edits and document the exact command lines you used. If something goes wrong, reproduce the issue in a test environment while logging output. This isolates variables and speeds resolution. A reliable troubleshooting tip: verify permissions, double-check spelling and version compatibility, and ensure required flags were included. Then retry step by step, confirming each change before proceeding.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.